Wagwan everybody, welcome back to Daniel's Delight JA. For my first video of the year, I have decided to start out healthy. So I'll be showing you how I make my green smoothie, and this green smoothie is great to help you detox the body and also boost your immune system and also to help speed up your metabolism. These are the ingredients that I will be using to make my green smoothie. The aloe vera here, this is one whole aloe vera leaf. However, I'll not be using the whole thing. I will just be using a small portion, which I will be showing you later before I blend everything. I will be using the aloe vera as one of my ingredients that I will be using. The aloe vera is a very amazing plant. As you can see, this is what it looks like for those who don't know. This was grown freshly in my backyard. See the gel-like part here in the middle is what I will be using to make my drink, and this gel-like part is what is used to make most aloe vera products. Aloe vera is very healthy and can be used for a wide variety of stuff. The gel-like part in the middle can be used to rub directly on your skin and in your hair, and you can just swallow a piece of it just like that. The aloe vera boosts your metabolism. It helps to prevent the buildup of belly fat. It has antioxidants and antibacterial properties and increase the amount of calories we burn. It helps to heal wounds and to fade out scars. So for instance, even if you get sunburn, it is good for sunburn. Very, very good for sunburn. It reduces dental plaque, it reduces constipation, it improves your skin and prevents wrinkles. So that is one of the reasons why you can just rub it onto your skin and leave it overnight. And it also lowers your blood sugar levels and makes your hair very strong and thick. So that is why aloe vera always plays a vital role in the making of my green smoothie. And this is the moringa. The moringa is said to be a super plant. The whole tree is beneficial. The entire tree, from the leaves to the bark to the seeds, everything is beneficial. But today I will be using the leaves to blend in my smoothie. The moringa protects your liver. It prevents cancer cells. It promotes beautiful skin. It promotes wound healing. It's great for joint pains. It increases mental clarity. It reduces wrinkles and age lines. It stimulates hair growth. The moringa leaves has 4 times the amount of vitamin A that is in a carrot. So the amount of vitamin A you would get from a carrot, you get 4 times that amount from the moringa. It has 7 times the amount of vitamin C that is in one orange. So the amount of vitamin C you would get from one orange, you get 7 times that amount from consuming the moringa. It has 4 times the amount of calcium that is in 1 glass of milk. It has 3 times the amount of potassium in 1 banana. It has 3 times the amount of vitamin E that is in almonds, and 3 times the amount of iron in spinach. So you can see how great this plant is. And I know many of us have it growing in our backyards and we have never had it. We have never swallowed one of the seeds and we have never drank some of the tea. It is very good. We should all be drinking moringa for better health. Next, I am moving on to another superfood, and this is the spinach. Now, I just went in my backyard and picked some spinach this morning. A lot of people is not so fortunate, but lucky for me, I have it growing all around. Spinach is another superfood, which is low in calories, and as you can see, it's a dark and leafy green plant. Dark and leafy green plants such as these are important for your skin, your hair, and your bone health. The spinach is an excellent source of minerals and vitamins and magnesium, and a great source of iron. The best way to consume spinach is by adding it to your smoothies and to your juice. I will also be using one orange, which we all know is loaded with vitamin C, and I will also be using a ripe banana as well, but my banana is frozen. I had my bananas frozen. Whenever I'm making smoothies, I use a frozen banana, because when I use a frozen banana, I no longer need to use ice. So I'm using my ripe banana, and as we all know, ripe bananas are loaded with vitamin C, B6 and magnesium, and are also a great and healthy way to satisfy a sweet tooth, and is relatively low in calories. So this is what I will be blending. I have 8 leaves of spinach right there, and that's a half a handful of moringa leaves, and I have picked them individually from the stem. There's no stems involved, it's just the leaves. And I have the aloe vera. This is the amount I am using, and as you can see, it's just the white gel part, because the green outer part itches quite a lot. And I am using the juice of one orange, and as I said before, I have my frozen banana, which I will be adding, and that will be my sweetening agent. I have my ripe bananas already in my blender, and those are frozen ripe bananas, and I'm now just adding my pieces of, and I'll be adding my spinach and moringa. If I didn't mention this before, just ensure that you wash these leaves properly, because they were exposed to the elements, and the juice from this is what we will be drinking. Everything that comes out of this blender will be consumed, so just ensure that you wash your leaves properly. As you can see, I used just a strainer to extract the juice from my oranges, because I didn't want the seeds to get into my blender. Instead of using the juice from the orange, you could also use the juice of a grapefruit. Or if you want to get a creamier finish, you could have used almond milk or soy milk instead of the orange juice to be your liquid. Make this smoothie a part of your diet and consume it for 14 days and see great results. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, like my video, leave a comment about my green smoothie, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.